Hydroponic fruit trees. Some fruit trees grow well under hydroponic conditions, including fruits like bananas, lemons and avocados. Growing trees hydroponically requires attention and care from gardeners to ensure that the trees are stable and receiving nutrients. Support system. Hydroponic systems do not use soil, so it is vital for fruit trees grown in hydroponic systems to have an external means of support to keep them growing vertically. Fruit trees grown hydroponically are sometimes grown in their dwarf form to make supporting them easier. Light requirements. Fruit trees require a great deal of natural light to process nutrients and get energy. Hydroponic fruit tree systems are often based indoors, which makes the use of grow lights necessary. Grow lights provide the same spectrum of light as the sun, which provides fruit trees with energy. Hydroponic systems. Hydroponic systems use water instead of soil to transport nutrients and oxygen to the roots of plants like fruit trees. Water containing nutrients is cycled through a system that takes the nutrients to the roots of the fruit trees. Water-loving fruit trees like bananas work well in hydroponic systems.